Hello dear 8th class students, welcome to today's maths class. So we are continuing our square roots and cube roots chapter. Of course we are going very slowly, and the last day it may come this lesson. For this lesson, this is the last class. So students, square roots 3 exercises we completed, and after that we studied about cube roots, and we have 2 exercises 6.4 and 6.5 completed. The last few problems left. See here, the chapter name is square roots and cube roots. Exercise 6.5. See the textbooks. 146 page number in old textbooks. I don't know what is the page number in your textbooks. Accordingly, you see, this is the 6th chapter and last exercise, 6.5 exercise. See here, students. Third problem. See, once again I will I wrote the table. Suppose what is the number, last digit of the number and last digit of its cube. See here. Suppose if the last digit of the number is 1. Suppose we have 11. What is 11 cube? 11 into 11 into 11. I am not asking the answer, but what will be the answer? In the answer, what is the last digit? Last digit. Whatever may be the answer. What is the last digit? Last digit is also 1. Suppose if the number is 2. Suppose if 12 is there. 12 cube we want. 12 cube is 12 into 12 into 12. 12 into 12 into 12. If you calculate, so we will get some answer. In that, what is the last digit? It is nothing but 2 to the 4 to the 8 only. Suppose if the last digit is 3, suppose I want 13 cube. You find 13 into 13 into 13. 13 into 13, 169. 169 into 13 you can find out. So last digit will be 3 3 is a 9, 3 is a 27, that is 7. Suppose if it is a 4, suppose I asked you to find 24 whole cube. 24 into 24 into 24. For the 16, last digit will be for the 16, for the 64. Last digit will be 4. If the number ends with 4, its cube root also ends with 4. If the last digit is 5, ends with 5. Last digit is 6, that means 16 whole cube. 16 into 16 into 16. 6. 7. 7, if it is 7 means 27 whole cube you get. 27 into 27 into 27. I am not asking the number, but what is the last digit? 7 7 is 49, 3 7 is 3. 8. 8 means, for example, 18 cube. 18 into 18 into 18. 18 18 is 324. 8 for 2. Last digit is 2. 9. Last digit is 9. 10. Last will be 3 zeros. Last digit 0 means, last digit 0 means, last digit will be 3 zeros. Like that. So this is the table already we wrote, and I explained. So we solved some problems. Once again I wrote here because we have some objective bits, students, some objective bits. Just no solution, just tell yes, true or false, that's all. See, just true or false, because our chapter is over. Only some bits are given. Tell whether it is true or false, that's all. Cube root of even number is odd number. Cube root of even number is odd number. Sorry. Cube root of cube of even number is odd number. Cube of an even number is odd number. That means, suppose if you take an even number, let us take 2. Let us take 4. 4 is a even number. Even number, find its cube. This is the even number. What is the answer? Cube. Cube is 4 into 4 into 4. 4 into 4, 16, 4 the 64. This is also even. Every even number if you cube, we will get even number only. We won't get odd number. Cube of even number is even number only. 6 is a even number. 6 cube you find. 6 into 6 into 6 you find. Two, 1, 6. Even number only. Last number 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Even numbers. Last number is 1, 3, 5, 7. Odd numbers. You know basic concept. Even and odd. So cube of even number is odd number. That is a statement. Is it correct or wrong? Wrong. Cube of even number is not odd number. It is also even. Cube of every even number is even number only. So this is false. That is enough actually. True or false. But you can, for your information, you can write example. 4 is even. 4 cube. 4 into 4 into 4. 64 is also even. Cube of even number is even only, not odd. So the statement is false. False. Write down the second bit. Perfect cube perfect cube ends with 2 zeros. Perfect cube ends with 2 zeros. Students, cube any number. Suppose if you cube 10. What is 10 cube? 10 into 10 into 10. The answer is 1000. Suppose if you cube 100. 100 cube. 100 into 100 into 100. What is the answer? You will get this answer. You know how to multiply. You know multiplication. You will get this answer. That means if you cube any number, minimum there will be 3 zeros. There will not be 1 zero. So after cubing any number, you won't get 1 zero or 2 zeros. How many zeros you will get? 3 zeros minimum. Or more than 6 zeros, 9 zeros like that. But we won't get 1 zero. If you square any number, you won't get 80 or if you cube any number, we won't get 80 or 90 or 110. Last digit will not be 0. If it is 0, it should be 3 zeros. So see here, not 2 zeros, minimum 3 zeros. So perfect cube ends with 2 zeros. Wrong. Ends with 3 zeros. Ends with 3 zeros, not 2 zeros. Right now. This is false. Example, take 10. 10 cube is 10 into 10 into. Example is no need, but I am giving. If it will end with 3 zeros, not 2 zeros. It may end with 3 zeros, but 2 zeros is impossible. It will not end with 2 zeros. End with minimum 3 zeros, not 2. number ends with 5, its cube also ends with 5. Correct. If number ends with 5, its cube also ends with 5. This is true. If last digit of the number is 5, its last digit of its cube will be also 5. Suppose if we take 25 or say 15, 15 cube, 15 into 15 into 15. What is the answer, students? Digit end with 5, its cube also end with 5. Correct. True. Students, write the fourth question from the textbook and read it and understand it. If number, just now we studied, I explained, if number ends with 0, its cube will end with 3 zeros, correct? Suppose 20, number end with 0. So what is 20 cube? 20 into 20 into 20, 22, 8,000. So if number end with 1 0, its cube will end with 3 zeros. It is compulsory. So if number ends with 1 0, then its cube end with 3 zeros. That means given statement is right or wrong? Right. True. Right. Cube of a single digit number may be single digit number. It is not that it should be, maybe. It is possible because 2 is a single digit number. What is 2 cube? 2 into 2 into 2, 8. 8 is also single digit number. Cube of a single digit number may be single digit number, but it is not that it is only single digit number. Sometimes if it is 9, 9 cube is 9 into 9 into 9 is 729. It is not a single digit number, but maybe, may not be. So for 2 it is correct. For 1 also it is correct. 1 cube is 1 into 1 into 1 1. But 3 onwards it is not possible. So here it is not given that it should be. It may be. Cube of a single digit number may be single digit number. Maybe. If it is 2, it is correct. But others it will fail. But one option it is correct, no? So that means this statement is true. Maybe. It is not for all. Maybe means it may be possible or not. Sometimes possible, sometimes not possible. For few 1 digit numbers, cube will be maybe 2 digit or 3 digit. But for few, it is 1 digit. Because 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2. Yeah, this is 1 digit number, its cube also 1 digit number. no perfect cube which ends with 8. This is false. It is given that if you cube any number, we won't get 8 in the last digit. It is wrong, because if you take 12, see, 12 into 12 into 12. You check it. But anyway, so last digit 2 means last digit 8 is possible. There is no perfect cube which ends with 8 means it is a wrong statement. This is false statement, because if you cube some number, there is a possibility that we may get 8 in the last digit. So which ends with 8, it ends with 8. So it is not that it is not this cube of a number will not have 8 in the last digit. So that means its statement is false. There is a possibility that if you cube some number, we may get 8. See, it is there. So last digit of the cube may be 8. For few numbers, last digit may be 8. So here it is given that no, it is not possible. So that means this statement is wrong. This is false. There is a possibility that it may end with 8. So given statement is false. This example no need, just for your for explanation I am giving. So just you write true or false, that is enough. Last bit in the third question. Cube of a 2-digit number may be 3-digit number. Take any 2-digit number. 10 cube. 10 into 10 into 10. Some examples I give. So, see what is the question. Cube of 2-digit number may be 3-digit number. May be 3-digit number. Cube of a 3-digit, 2-digit number may be 3-digit number. So, smallest 2-digit number is 10 only. So, cube of this number is not 3-digit, it is 4-digit. Cube of a 2-digit number, take 2-digit number, if you cube it, there is no possibility of getting 3-digit. Definitely it will be 4-digit only, no 2-digit number. Take any example, take any 2-digit number, cube it, answer will be 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, not 3 digits. 3 digits is not possible. 10 only small number, no? So small number not possible means for big number it will be very big. So that means this statement is false. Maybe if it is given, maybe instead of 3, if it is 4-digit number, correct. Cube of a 3-digit number may be 4-digit number. Maybe 4-digit number. So, but 3-digit number not possible, false statement. So you practice these bits, students. So lot of reasoning, not a just we don't have solution like that. So just reasoning, complete concept on cube root. Student, we have one more question, last question in the exercise, in the chapter. Find the two-digit number which is a square number and also cube number. Two-digit number which is a square number and cube number. Square number and cube number. Which should be a square number and cube number. 64 is square number. 8 into 8. 8 into 8 is 64. It is also cube number. Students, see, 4 cube. 4 into 4. 16 into 4, 64. 64 is a special number, special two-digit number. In 3-digit there may be some numbers. We are least bothered about it. We are concerned with two-digit numbers only. There is a 64 is a two-digit number which is a square number. 8 square is 64. It should be also cube number. It should be cube number, square number. 4 cube is 4 into 4 into 4, 64. So 8 into 8 is 64. There is a number 64 which is a cube, square number and cube number. If any such numbers exist, you try. A two-digit number should be square of some number and cube of some number. Over. Write down. So therefore answer is 64. 64 is such number which is a square number and cube number. So students, this chapter is over. Square roots and cube roots chapter is over. I solved each and every problem and you do the examples. So do perfect revision on this chapter. How to find the square of a number, how to find the square root of a number by prime factorizing method and also division method. Finding the square root for numbers having decimals. Next, we studied how to find the cube of a number and cube root of a number by factorizing method and estimation method, how to find the cube root by estimation method. So, all the concepts we studied, again do the revision from the starting to end, do perfect revision and become master in this chapter. Over. Tomorrow, I am going to start, in the next class, I am going to start the new chapter. This chapter is over. In the next class, new chapter. Practice this chapter, students. Thank you.